Hey, what's going on guys? I'm Josh Gibbons and welcome back to my channel. Today, we have an amazing video. I'm so hyped, I'm so happy, really excited and also proud at the same time. So, I actually just hit £2,000 and it is crazy to look at my bank account and see that number in there. And it makes me so proud that I've hit it because I'm 16 and that number is insane to me. Like honestly, and the way I've done it as well through my freelance brand identity business is also just super proud feeling for me to know that I've built it up and I've got there. And my parents don't add any money into my bank account. I know a lot of people around me, they get a monthly amount into their bank from their parents or something, but knowing that I took it from pretty much zero to over 2,000 with my own hard work is super awesome. So, what does this mean? It's the start of my Amazon FBA journey, guys. I have now saved up enough capital. I've invested in the course. I know exactly what I need to do. I have exactly the perfect amount of resources financially and also, you know, through the course. I know what I need to do. And if you're looking to start Amazon FBA and you're in the UK, check out the course below. It's the one I took and it's the one that is going to take me through everything step by step, and I'm going to share that with you as I go on in my journey. So, since I've got enough capital now, it is time to start. The only thing that currently is a bit like holding me back, Chinese New Year. So I'm not 100% sure on when I should start the process, but I know that it should fade away, it should start to finish the Chinese New Year about March time. But that's a whole month away. That's over a month away. So I don't really want to wait that much, and I know that setting up the company and the business banks, they will take a couple of weeks. So I actually think if I start within the next 2 weeks, then by the time everything is set up and I'm ready to go, Chinese New Year should be out of the way and we should be, okay, I'm excited, we should be ready to go. But in the meantime, I have got a couple of other things that I need to set up with my freelance brand identity business, but I really want to take action, and I'm so frustrated with myself because I know that sometimes I don't take action, but this time I know what I need to get done, I have the resources, and I know the ROI as well. That is the most frustrating thing when you don't take action. So I need to get it done. I need to just get on the computer, open up my limited company and get going. And I'm super excited that I've hit this amount of money. I think it was more of a personal goal when I actually set the target to hit this amount of capital for Amazon FBA. It was more of like, on the side, it was more of a personal target. Like, can I actually manifest this and get myself saved up? And it's actually crazy how it worked out. When I set this target, I think I had about just above 1,000. And I thought, well, where's the other 1,000 gonna come from? And it's just so cool how when you set targets like this, things just fall into place. So with my freelance business, things started working out there. And it's just like, it's so strange how things work out when you actually just set a goal and like manifest it for yourself. So for anyone out there wanting to save capital for a business model, you write it down. So you get a pen, you get a whiteboard or a paper and you go, I will hit X amount. And then you look at what you have in your bank. So in my bank is X. And then you look at your income streams. So, you know, where do you actually get your money from? Where can you get your money from? And how are you going to hit that goal? And for me, it was, I have currently 4 income streams, which I'll go over in another video, but it's just crazy how each one of those improved when I set this target. So I'm not sure if it's just the heavens giving me a bit of good luck or something, but honestly, things have blown up and it is just mind-blowing for me to see this. So we're going to start FBA. I'm 16 years old, I am so passionate about being an entrepreneur, and it's go time. We're gonna do this, and I'm gonna document it all, and I'm so excited. So I will keep you guys updated, and we'll see what happens. Thanks very much for watching. Really hope you're enjoying the channel so far. So be sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my content, especially now, as pretty much I'm gonna be making videos that involve me starting my process. So thanks very much once again. I will see you in the next video.